welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary and it's just me today because Izzy went to the taco truck with my dad and my brothers. So me and mom came up with this brilliant idea to cut up all my sister's squishies. And this is payback for all the time she put slime in my hair, guys. So I have a bunch of her favorite squishies right here. And first we're gonna cut her new waterable squeezable squishies. She just got these at Walgreens. She loved these. I've always wanted to cut squishies open, guys. You ready? Oh. Whoa. What's in here? Can I touch it? Is it safe to touch? Oh, what's this? Oh, look, it's a little doll or a mermaid and glitter and beads. Okay, so next we're gonna cut this one, guys, and it looks like it has foam beads and like little buttons and this that says joy and a smiley face. So let's cut it open. Whoa. Oh, I think these are foam beads. Yep, they are. Okay, so we got that one in, guys. Everybody comment down below. Sorry, Izzy, in the comments. Oh, look, this one has like confetti and glitter and a unicorn. Whoa. Okay, so next, this one has like hearts and confetti and like a milkshake. Whoa, okay. That got on my face. Okay, so that's everything for those. So next we're gonna cut open these, and she actually just got these too. She just got these at Walgreens, guys, and these is like a school Halloween one. I guess this is supposed to be its brains. Wow. Okay, so. Oh wow, that comes off. Put that. Now it's just like one of those stress squeezy balls. Wow. You heard it, guys? Whoa, wait, is this slime? It's slime! It's not like goo, it's slime. Whoa, I thought this was gonna gush out everywhere. Okay, let's put it. It's like a jiggly slime. Let's get it here. Let me rip this open. Whoa. Oh, there's water on the table. Okay, next I'm gonna do the other one. Okay. This is so cool. I had no idea this was slime. Maybe that's why she liked it so much. Okay, you ready? Oh, whoa. Wow. This is cool. Where's the slime? Oh, it blends in. Whoa. Okay, so next we're gonna cut the super slow rising hot dog one. Like, look how slow rising it is. Whoa, it's slow rising upwards. Hey guys, so how should we do this? Should we cut it in half or the bun? Let's cut it bun length. Okay, we're gonna cut it over the ball because this is messy. Squishies are messy inside. Whoa, this is sticky. It's just foam, guys. Izzy, are you watching this? Should probably think about putting slime in my hair now. Comment down below which one of Izzy's squishy was your favorite that we've cut so far. This one's super slow rising too. Okay, I made a little smoothie. Okay, so next we're gonna cut this like cookie s'more one, and it's super slow rising. And this is so cool because it has like so much like detail to it. How like I don't think we need the scissors. We could probably rip it in half. Whoa, see? Maybe rip this one in half more, so it doesn't take up as much space. Cause look at all those squishies we have left. Okay, so next we're gonna cut the pizza. This one's super cool. Guys, look, it's slow rising. Oh, that one's kind of fast actually. Let's cut it. This one's like a hard squishy, but soft at the same time. Whoa. Okay, so next we're gonna cut the cupcake. This heart looks cool. Okay, so let's just slice it in half. Whoa. Look, even down here at the bottom, it's purple. Oh, this is so cool. I've always wanted to do this. Wait, is the whole squishy purple and they just painted this? Oh yeah, wow, okay. Oh, now it's like a little poop emoji. Wow. Okay, so next we're gonna cut the corn. And this corn is super soft and slow rising. Look at this, guys. Wow, I can't wait to see what's in here because this one's super soft. Whoa, look at this. It looks like a snake coming up. Okay, let's cut it. That's such a bright yellow. Whoa. I thought it was gonna be like white or something. Okay. So next we're gonna cut this cake. Oh, this one was one of Izzy's favorites and it's super soft. Comment down below, sorry about your cake, Izzy. Whoa. Look at this inside, guys. Close up. It's all pink. Wow. And they just painted this. Now it's just the bottom layer. Okay, so next we're gonna cut the twin ice creams. Okay, so these are super slow rising too. Let's see which one rises faster. This one won. Okay, here. Let's say bye to the cones. And here. Okay. Oh wow, this one's white in the inside. Here's the cone, guys. Look, that's so cool. Let's see if it's still slow rising. Whoa, that's so small. Okay guys, so her last squishy is her giant pineapple one, and I've always wanted to cut this one up. It's hard though, so. What's inside? Okay, wow. Wow, this material in it is so hard. I wish you guys could feel this, how hard it is. See, look, here, I'll show you. It's not even making barely a hole. Ooh. Whoa, look, what is this? Let me cut this part out. It's not letting me cut it, it's too hard. Okay, so let's cut this. here. Oh, I cracked the pineapple in that. Oh, it looks so cool, guys. Looks like bread, actually. This part's so hard. Here's your piece of pineapple. Look at this. Well, oh, she'll see that evidence when she goes home. I bet she's gonna come home and she's gonna go looking for her squishies, and then she's gonna come in my room. Mary, where are my squishies? Okay, I'm gonna just leave this right here for Izzy when she comes back home so she can see it. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. And don't forget to comment down below if you want me to cut up the rest of Izzy's squishies, but don't comment down below video suggestions for Izzy to get me back. Bye.